Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a Dollar General haul, and this is all house items. First I want to get out of the way because I'm going to insert a picture of it, but I did buy a 14-pound bag of dog food because I needed that and I was there, so picked that 14-pound bag up for $10. So to get started with the rest of the house stuff, this is all house stuff, nothing else, just house stuff. I needed to replenish some of the items in the house. So to get this Mega Row big paper towels, you can choose the size, and there is 168 paper towels in here for $1. Yeah, this was in the dollar still aisle. Still on paper kind of products, I did get this family size facial tissue, 200 count in here for $2. I love the box. Honestly, that's kind of why I picked that up. And Angel Soft, I didn't need this, but I like keeping a big stock of toilet paper and and so I got this one, and it's just, yeah, it's 8 mega rolls, and I wanted the 16, but they didn't have that one in stock, and so I grabbed the Angel Soft scented tube and the fresh vanilla and blossom. This smells really good. I've used the lavender one before, and we've used the fresh scent one before, and it is pleasant, you know, to have your toilet paper roll scented, and it smells good. So yeah. This was $6. It was like $5.95, so $6. In the dollar deal aisle, I did pick up these extra fluffy fabric softener sheets in Spring Blast, and there's 30 in here for $1. I just needed some dryer sheets. I needed some more scent booster, and this is the Clorox ones, and yes, I did pick these up in lavender, and if you've been with my channel for a while, I absolutely cannot stand lavender scent, but this isn't that bad. They do smell good, and I am going to mix it with my other scent boosters that are left, so it won't be near as bad. So this is just the only scent that they had. So I'll pick those up. And the Clorox ones are actually really good. If they have the orange ones that are like the tropical ones, I always pick those up. They didn't yesterday. I needed some foil, so this was from the dollar deal aisle as well. 20 feet of foil, so grab that. And I also picked up the pop-up foil sheets. So you get 30 sheets in there, so that's a really good deal. I needed a new toilet brush, and this also came from that dollar deal aisle, so honestly you just can't beat that. So, and then last item I picked up, and this did not come from the dollar deals, but this is the soft soap warm vanilla and coconut milk scent. Deeply moisturizes to hydrate hands, and it does bacteria too. This is, I think that says 11 ounces down there. Anyways, this is the moisturizing hand soap. This smells absolutely amazing, and I've been using antibacterial soap on my hands, and my hands are drying out. My cuticles are looking trash again, and I needed something better. So, or well, something that does moisturizing and antibacterial. So soft soap is always a win. I wanted milk and honey, but they didn't have that one, so this one's really nice. I love the packaging, and this was $3. That's everything I picked up at the Dollar General. Hope you guys enjoyed this little home haul, and thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.